What an amazing trading day it has been. So in today's video, I am going to go through the trades that I have taken today, and we will also take a look at future price levels that I'm interested in trading to help you guys profit off of these markets. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure that you watch the video up until the end, because I will be giving you some valuable information on how to profit off of these markets. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So before we jump into what is currently happening within Bitcoin and Ethereum, because in today's video I will also cover Ethereum, I just want to give you some context on what has happened since the previous video that I made for you guys. So in the previous video that I made for you guys, I was explaining to you that on the lower time frames we were looking pretty bearish, and on the higher time frame, such as the 1 hour time frame, we were actually looking still very bullish. Okay, so I was expecting a pullback. This is why I have been short on the price of Bitcoin, because I've been expecting a pullback on the lower time frames, of course, because remember, we are still looking very bullish on the 1 hour time frame, and I of course will cover that in a little while as well. But this morning I was telling the team that if we lose the range low, the next major level of support is the NPOC at $66,960. So this is something that I was looking for this morning, because like I said, we were looking bearish, so I was looking for a pullback. Remember, we were already in a scalp short trade that I gave the team on the Visionary Discord, and I updated the team here. This is the weekly NPOC, which was previously front run. So we had the weekly NPOC here, okay, naked point of control, and that was slightly front run previously, so we could still possibly retrace and actually test this. Later on in the day, what we actually saw was a retest of the all-time highs at just under 72,949. That was the previous all-time high. What did we do? We formed an SFP of that. After forming that SFP, what did I do? I entered into a short position, as you can see here, giving the team the setup on the Visionary Discord. I said new short for me. You can check the timestamps. Okay, I gave this short to the team on the Visionary Discord, and you can see that I went on to tell the team the short was entered off of the basis that we formed an SFP of the previous all-time high with imbalances and trapped longs at the high. So we can see, obviously, we formed the SFP of the high. Then if we look at that SFP candle, we can see we've got an imbalance coming in. We have the POC, which is very high up in the candle, and then we have an absurd amount of longs kicking into the market. And of course, what are these going to be? These are going to be trapped longs as that price starts to pull back. So having all of these trapped longs at the top of the candle and the price is pulling back, what is going to happen to these longs? Well, these longs are going to be forced or be liquidated. Okay, they're going to be forced to actually get out of their long positions, meaning that they have to sell into the market, meaning that that is going to push the price down even further. So as you can see here, went on to tell the team target acquired TP1 on the short. This was the short that I gave the team. As you can see, we took a TP1 on that short. Here was one of the trades that I entered into. This was a lower leverage trade, so this was 30% in a profit. Then the higher leverage trade, as you can see here, 101% in a profit. So this was an amazing trade that we took this morning for the Visionary Discord. So if you want access to this Visionary Discord where I give all of my trades away, click the first link in the comment or the pinned first link in the description or the pinned comment. Okay, this link right here, it will take you over to this page where you can gain access to the Visionary Discord where I give all of my trades away. Of course, we have the education there for you as well, where I teach you my strategies. But what you can actually do, and what we're running at the moment, is running a free trial. Okay, so a 1-day free trial. Just try it. You don't have to put any details in. Just try that 1-day free trial, and I'm sure you will get some really nice value off of it. So make sure you get yourself on that Visionary Discord. Now, of course, we're not taking trades every single day, but we do take a lot of trades within that week. So just go through this Visionary Discord and see how many trades we are giving away and how many profitable trades we are giving away as well. But back to it. Straight after we saw that pullback within Bitcoin, which of course we shorted, I actually entered into a long. Now I long, as you can see here. This was the long that I showed the team that I was taking, and unfortunately that long did get stopped out. Why was that? Well, we actually got a range break towards the downside. As you can see here, we lost the range and we saw lower prices. As you can see, range low has been lost and the long has been closed. We now ride our shorts to the lower target unless we form a failed auction of the range low, where we can look to long back up to range high. As you can see here, the trades are in some really nice profits, and yeah, the weekly MPOC of 66,960 is the lower target. We'll get onto that in a moment. As you can see, range has broke to the downside. Trades are continuing to yield us some really nice profits, and I told the team, remember to take profits on the way down, as I was taking profits at that time. And then I went on to say stop loss has moved to entry. So we've taken profits off of that short position. We've moved the stop loss to entry, making that a risk-free trade. So we've made some amazing profits on this short position alone. Of course, we took a little bit of a loss here on the long position. However, compared to these short positions, that was minor. So yeah, these were very profitable trades that I gave the team this morning. But I didn't just give the team a Bitcoin short trade. What did I also give them? I gave them a Ethereum short trade as well. This is the first, and this is just an announcement that I need to give to you as well. This is the first altcoin trade that I have given the team on the Visionary Discord, and from now on I am going to give the team all of the trades that I am taking on my altcoins as well. So the first one was actually an Ethereum short. Here was the setup that I gave the team on the Visionary Discord, and as you can see, pretty quickly target acquired, TP1, and then Ethereum short update, 116% in a profit, TP2 at 155% in a profit, stop loss is at entry. Okay, and then I'll go on to give some more information, which I will go on to in a second. Okay, but again, 2 profitable trades this morning. Well, 3, because I entered into 2 trades on that Bitcoin short. So 3 profitable trades, 1 losing trade. It has been an amazing day for the team here at Bit Trading. So yeah, make sure you jump on, try that free trial, and just go through the Discord. It will give you some really good insights into my day-to-day trading life. So make sure you get yourself on there. But let's talk about what is currently going on now, because after seeing this big pullback, what are we now seeing? Well, we're seeing a big rise towards the upside. Now, I'm going to start with Bitcoin because I'm going to keep it very short. Why are we seeing this bounce? Well, we're seeing this bounce because price from the previous low here has come into the GP, as you can see here, and we've had a perfect bounce off of the GP. For me, there was no long position at this level here. No long position, and I fully accept that we've had a rise towards the upside. Remember, stop losses at entry on the shorts. We've taken profit, so we're not at risk of losing any money. So we are very profitable, but I am happy that I did not take this long position. Why? Because the confluence wasn't there for me to enter into that long. On another day, we could have seen the price just smash through this. Yes, we were seeing a bounce and a nice bullish reaction off of this, but there wasn't enough confluence for me to enter into this long. However, there was enough confluence for me to enter into a long on Ethereum. Okay, so let's jump over to Ethereum and actually have a look. As you can see here, we got a really nice bounce off the GP and 786 level in confluence with the VWAP. As you can see, the anchored VWAP from the low that we formed down here has acted as really nice support, and pretty much acted as the dollar support on this move towards the downside. As you can see, we saw a huge move towards the upside. Now, this is what I told the team on the Visionary Discord. So coming on to the altcoin trades, as you can see here, I did unfortunately miss a perfect long on ETH due to the fact that I was on a dog walk, but nevertheless I'm very happy with the short. So this was the long setup that I unfortunately missed, and I couldn't bring to the team on the Visionary Discord because I happened to go on a dog walk as price was pulling back and tapping that level. As we were pulling back, I was on the dog walk and I was updating the team via my phone, so I didn't have access to XO charts, which is where I take my trades based off of. So we can see here why we were getting a trade entry, long trade entry at this level. The long would have been entered off of the basis that we were seeing mass shorts coming into the GP as price was making a higher low, which indicates to us a bigger player or players were absorbing the shorts with a large limit buy. So as price is pulling back into the GP and the 786 level, in confluence, I went on to say, in confluence with the VWAP, as you can see here, what were we seeing? Well, we were seeing a huge amount of shorts opening up, clearly stated by the CVD right here, an absurd amount of shorts opening up, but the price was still forming a higher low coming into the GP and the 786 level and that VWAP, which is very, very bullish, very bullish. If we come and have a look at the XO charts here, we can see, of course, we had mass shorting down here, minus 13 million shorts in this candle alone. Then if we come here, we can see minus 5.7, and then minus 20 million shorts in this candle alone. So we were seeing mass shorts and then minus 3.6, mass shorts coming in, but price was still forming a higher low, telling us that a bigger player or players were absorbing these shorts, and we were also coming into that GP and the VWAP, and of course we saw a perfect reaction and a perfect rise towards the upside. So unfortunately, this was the perfect setup that I did not take. Like I said, I was on a dog walk. So yeah, that's currently, you know, what is happening right now. We are bouncing off of this GP level. We're bouncing off of the GP and the 786. We could have taken a long on Ethereum. Bitcoin, I'm not too bothered that we've missed this rise towards the upside because the confluence just was not there for me. Let's pull a VWAP and let's just see where the VWAP was coming in. Any confluence with that VWAP. Is it gonna want to load? Okay, no, there wasn't even any confluence with the VWAP, so I'm not too bothered about Bitcoin. A little bit annoyed I missed the long position on Ethereum, but hey ho, we can miss a trade because there are going to be thousands more trades in the future. So yeah, right now for both Ethereum and Bitcoin, I am just expecting higher prices. I'm expecting the shorts to get stopped out at entry and probably to make a new all-time high. Why is that? Well, we're seeing nothing bearish coming in on XO. Absolutely nothing bearish. Neither Bitcoin or Ethereum is looking bearish as of right now, still looking bullish. So I am just expecting a new all-time high to be tapped. So yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you guys today. If you enjoyed, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and yeah, get yourself on that Visionary Discord because it is extremely valuable. And of course, we have the altcoin trades there for you guys now as well. So make sure you get yourself on there. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. And I'm looking forward to seeing you over on the Visionary Discord. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you later. Goodbye.